If you're looking for a unique and practical way to promote your business, look no further than the customizable Metal Wallet Ninja. This is not only a metal business card, but also a multifunctional card that includes 18 different tools in one compact design. Each Wallet Ninja is made from high-quality stainless steel that's finished with a sleek black coating. At 1 millimeter thick, these cards are durable and long-lasting. They're the same size as a standard plastic credit card, so they can easily fit in your wallet or bag. And best of all, each Wallet Ninja can be customized with your logo or information on the front and back, making it a great way to promote your brand. With 18 different tools including a bottle opener, screwdriver, ruler, hex wrench, cell phone stand, and more, this convenient multi-tool makes the perfect accessory for clients on the go and is sure to leave a lasting impression with anyone that receives one. To place an order for your custom Metal Wallet Ninjas, simply upload any logo or content you might have and enter any information you'd like on the card. Within 24 hours, we will send you a digital proof of your card design. Note any changes and we'll make an update to your proof for a new review. Your Metal Wallet Ninjas will only go to production once you are completely in love with the design. There are zero artwork fees or setup costs with this product. The pricing you see includes the Metal Wallet Ninja, the design setup, and precise laser etching of your information. Our Metal Wallet Ninjas are ready to ship in 5 business days after artwork approval. If you need them a bit quicker, you can expedite production to 48 or even 24-hour production when placing your order. You can also add on expedited shipping during the checkout or in the My Account section of our website after you place your order. The Wallet Ninja metal business cards are designed to make you instantly stand out and leave a memorable impression. Forget the boring paper cards and elevate your first impression with this really unique and fun product. And remember, only the best come from mymetalbusinesscard.com. Thanks for watching. We really look forward to working with you.